Hey people, so considering I always make these videos on these reviews of the latest movies that are playing on Netflix, or there's this Anupam Kher movie called One Day Justice Delivered. So basically, it's about this judge who, during his tenure, could not met out justice to certain culprits or criminals. Sometimes we know, right, that the legal system is such that these really, the ones who are, they can, they say the law is like the net. The bigger you are, you can break through it and go past. So in this particular movie that has been directed by Ashok Nanda, in this movie it's about Anupam Kher. He's a retired judge, but who goes around, giving justice to the people who he thought, took advantage of the system. So the very premise of the story is so different, and it's been set in Jharkhand. So it's this very it brings to mind the very old school style of filmmaking. Like even the title track, these days movies just begin and the credits are seen on screen, but here we have a formal title track that is playing with it's like literally like the movies in the 70s and 80s would have it. So that's what, it's quite a different sort of film, and you all should watch it because it is something that you know you don't see often. So on that note, thanks for watching and please subscribe.